how to fix GTA 5 lag when driving easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just go to settings here, and now go to privacy. After that, scroll down until you find background apps. Now just turn off all the background apps here, and after that go back, and then just open task manager and close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome. Right click and end task. Now go back and go to your desktop, right click on it and click NVIDIA control panel. Then just wait, and here you will see use my preference, move it to performance and click apply. And now just wait, and then close it. Now just try again. If that doesn't fix it, restart your PC. After restarting your PC, close applications again and try again. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.